We're heading into the thick of earnings season, which means it's time to get your shopping list ready. I'm joined by RealMoney Pro contributor Chris Versace. Chris, why do you believe that it's especially important this earnings season to have this shopping list in order?
Well, earnings season is always a volatile time to begin with, but this time around, we're coming off a really strong run in the market over the last 2 years, and it looks like the S&P 500 is a little stretched. More than 17 times earnings for 2015. But the issue I have is earnings growth is less than 2%. We've got a strong dollar. We've had the severe winter weather. There's a lot of issues to balance. And I think there would be more companies probably either missing or giving softer guidance that could pose an opportunity.
All right, so this is a way to stay on our toes here. What is on your personal shopping list this earnings season?
Well, let me give you a couple names. The first is United Natural Foods. And I really like this company. It is, as I say, the bullet to the gun that is the natural, organic, and other alternative health style shopping that a lot of people are doing these days. The next one is Hanesbrands, ticker symbol HBI, strong beneficiary of falling cotton prices. I really like that as well. And then the last one, IBM. And you might say, why IBM? I'd say, these big companies, Brittany, they are like tankers. They take forever to turn. But IBM has been making some nip and tuck acquisitions. And once those tankers start to turn, they really pick up momentum. So that's certainly one to look at.
Great. So what's your rule of thumb then in terms of when to pull the trigger with the names on your shopping list? Are you looking for a certain percentage pullback? How do you determine when to buy?
Well, it's kind of two things, right? One is, and you're right on, it's, hey, if a company misses just by a couple pennies, it has to be relatively small to their overall earnings number that they're putting up, right? And if you get a pullback of 8 to 10 to 15%, as we've seen during earnings season, it could be the time to act if, and this is the big if, Brittany, if the fundamentals are still intact. They have to be, otherwise you can't touch it.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much. RealMoney Pro contributor Chris Versace. And I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.